Hey there, Brendan from Knitwits and Yarns. So today we're going to do the long tail cast on method. This is the one that I do for all my beanies, and it gives it a nice tension around the brim, and it's also a very flexible cast on method. So what you're going to have to do is get your long tail. I normally just do my arm's length across, which is about 170 or 180 centimeters. They normally say to do 3 times the length of your project. So if you're casting on a beanie that's 50 centimeters, do a 150 centimeter tail, and if you're doing a 60 centimeter, it's obviously 180 centimeters. So it's now time to cast on. Now we have our long tail, it's time to cast it on. So what I do is long tail on the left over the left thumb, the working yarn over the right index finger, hold it together, hold them both together with the bottom 2 fingers. Put the needle in the middle and we start. So we go up through the left, over the right and through. So it's up, over and through. So pull it down, we go up through that left loop, over the right yarn and pull it back through the loop. When you're pulling the tension, nice and soft. If it's too tight, then you're going to have a really tight cast on and brim or edge for your project. So up through the left, over the right and through, pulling it nice. Up through the left, over the right and through. So I'll do it really slow this time. Separate the two, up through the left, over the right and then through that gap, and then you just continue this until you have the required amount of stitches that your pattern asks for. So this is a really good cast on method for beanies, I find, because it has nice flexibility in it when you start knitting, and you just keep on working that and then pulling those stitches down the needle as they get clumped up towards the top.